morning. Welcome back. Hope you had a rested weekend. Let us start our Monday session with a read aloud. It's a story called And Then There Were Birds. It is told that once a long time ago, the Great Spirit walked about the earth, making it beautiful. Wherever the Great Spirit stepped, trees, flowers, and grass grew. All summer long, the trees wore crowns of leaves. The leaves sang sweet songs as they moved in the wind. But one day, the wind blew a cold breath of air and sighed. The time has come for the leaves to fall from the trees and die. The Great Spirit was sad and thought, the leaves should not have to die. As the bright leaves fell to the ground, the Great Spirit gave them wings. What do you think will happen next? Let's find out. The Great Spirit gave the leaves the power to fly, and the leaves became birds. The brown and orange leaves of the oak tree became red-breasted robins. The red leaves of the maple trees became bright-colored cardinals. The yellow leaves of the willow trees became little yellow warbles and goldfinches. Can you imagine how pretty that must be? The birds were beautiful. They filled the trees with color, life, and song. And the Great Spirit was pleased. That's the end of the story. With that, I now leave you to start with your day's work. Thank you. Bye.